Hey friends, it's SP here, and I wanted to check in really quickly with you and talk about July, the 7th month. Super excited because guess what? 7 is completion, and we know that the first quarter, it was a little challenging, but guess what? I come to bring you some really, really good news. Let's shift your trajectory and your mindset. Let's look at the second quarter as a way to bring in something new. Yeah, something new. And so my monthly goal this month, I was about to say this year, this month is to refresh, to relax, to rejuvenate, to renew all the reads, right? Because in gearing up for the second quarter, we have to make sure that we fully replenish and do what we need to do. So I'm encouraging you to get that. So whatever read it is, whether it's to rejuvenate, if you want to take some time to be able to relax, go to the spa, get you some facials, get you a mani and a pedicure, do something that's going to refresh you and bring you into some type of peace. Renew, meaning your mindset. What are you thinking about? Planning out your goals to ensure that you set them up, but you crush them as well. And then restore, taking the time back to rebuild with different relationships, because I know that the gifts that we have in this world, they come through relationships. So do what you need to do to repair and rebuild them. This is the 7th month, but guess what? We're moving into a new beginning. Let's continue to grow together better. Bye.